Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you're looking for employee engagement initiatives that work, and you don't know where to start. Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Stick around to the end of the video and you'll learn how you can get 100 more tips that you can put into practice immediately. Today's tip, make it right. An audience member shared that she was in a meeting where she was berated by the rest of her team for dropping the ball on the part of a project that she was responsible for completing. During the break, her supervisor pulled her aside and let her know that he did not send her the documentation she needed. He not only apologized, but he took ownership of the mistake in front of the whole group when the meeting went back into session. Now, do you think that he diminished his stature with this employee and the rest of the team? No, he elevated it. He built a level of trust and accountability, and he led by example as far as what to do in this situation. How do you do it? First, admit your mistake immediately and without excuses. Take responsibility for what you did. The sooner you accept what happened, the sooner you can make it right. Don't blame others. Throwing people under the bus will worsen the situation and cause distrust within your team. And prepare yourself for the consequences. They may not be as bad as you think. On the other hand, they may be worse. Suck it up. If you like these kind of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement by clicking on the link in the description below. See you at the site.